You may need to cancel or delete an order from PlanetTogether. Keep in mind that if your orders are coming from another system through a data push, that you will need to also delete or cancel your order in its origin application. Otherwise, the next time there is a data push, the order will come back into PlanetTogether. The system will attempt to schedule it. Go to the Jobs tab. Use the search bar for the order that you wish to delete. I'm going to look where my order is currently on my Gantt by using the Find button. I can see where it's scheduled. I'm going to jump back to my Jobs tab. Make sure my order is highlighted. Right-click. Click Delete. A pop-up will come and ask you to confirm that you wish to delete this order. You can also delete multiple orders at the same time if you highlight multiple lines. Click Yes. And now if I search for my order, the system does not find it. If I go and look at my Gantt, I can see a gap where the order was scheduled. If I rerun my optimize, the system will reschedule based on my optimization rules and close this gap. I can also manually drag and drop if I wish to fill an order into this space. If I have deleted an order that I did not mean to delete and I wish to undo the delete, I can use my undo function. Keep in mind, you can only undo tasks that have happened in PlanetTogether in the order that they occurred. If I click undo, I can see my job has reappeared.